Hello friends, myself Sachin Kumar. Today I am presenting a video on the merge sort. So if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe. What is merge sort? We are presenting now. The merge sort is basically on the concept of divide and conquer. Divide simple means large problem is divided into a smaller problem. A small problem is solved individually and finally solution is combined. The idea to solve a smaller problem is to solve a smaller problem. This is the easy job. So therefore, we are working on the divide and conquer approach. To divide simple means dividing until we get the single size problem. So in this way, we are working on the divide and conquer approach. Now we are discussing about the working of the merge sort. We are taking here a large array, and this large array is divided into two small subarray. So we have here two small subarray. We are sorting as per the divide and conquer approach. What we are doing here, we are comparing first element of the first subarray with first element of the second subarray. Smallest one is copied into third array. Say smallest one is the first element of the second subarray. So it means first element of the subarray, second subarray we have taken. Now we will compare first element of the first subarray with the second element of the second subarray, because first element of the second subarray we have already taken. After it, first element of the first subarray is copied because this is now smallest, for example. After it, we are comparing second element of the first subarray with second element of the second subarray. Smallest one is further copied. So we are copying smallest item, and after copying we are moving to the next element. Further comparison is done, and finally we will get all the item in the sorted manner in the third array. We are understanding this concept with the help of this example. So we are taking here an array. Size of the array is here 8, and initially this 8 size problem is divided into two subproblems. Problem size is here 4, and here problem size is also 4. Further, 4 size is problem is divided into 2 size problem, and now this 2 size problem is divided into single size problem. So all the problems are divided into single size problem. After it, we have to combine. So our procedure of the combine is we are comparing first element of the first subarray with the first element of the second subarray. So smaller one is 2. Smaller one is 2. So we have copied here 2. And this 4 is copied here. Similarly here, 3 and 60 are compared. So 3 is smaller. We have taken 3, then 16. Now 12 and 20 are compared. So smaller one is 12. We have taken 12. And remaining element is 20. We have copied 20 here. Here 8 and 30 are compared. Smaller one is 8. And remaining element is 30. We have copied 30 here. After it, we have here say these two subarray. This is the first subarray. This is the second subarray. The 2 and 3 are compared. A smaller one is 2. So we have taken 2 here. Now 4 and 3 are compared. A smaller one is 3. We have taken 3. After it, 4 and 16 are compared. Smaller one is 4. We have taken 4 here. The remaining element of the second subarray is 16. So we have copied 16 here. So in this way, this particular subarray is in the sorted manner. Similarly, we are comparing this 12 and 2, this 12 and 8. 8 is smaller, so we have copied 8 here. After it, we are comparing 12 and 30. 12 is smaller, we have copied 12 here. Now we are comparing 20 and 30. 20 is smaller, so we have copied 20 here. Remaining element is 30, so we have copied 30 here. Now we are combining this subarray and this subarray. We are comparing this 2 and 8. 2 is smaller, so we have copied 2 here. Now we are comparing 3 and 8. Smaller one is 3, so we have copied 3 here. Now we are comparing 4 and 8. Smaller one is 4, we have copied 4 here. Now we are comparing 16 and 8. 8 is smaller, we have copied here. Now this 16 and 12 are compared. Smaller one is 12, so we have taken 12 here. Now 16 and 20 are compared. Smaller one is 16, so we have copied 16 here. So first subarray has been completed. So we have copied all the remaining elements of the second subarray. The remaining elements are 20 and 30. So we have copied 20 and 30 in this way. So this is the working of the our algorithm. This is called merge sort. If we talk about the code, then code is very easy. Whatever we perform in the example, same job, same work is written in form of the function. So we have here two subarray. First subarray is written here, and this is the first subarray. This is the second subarray. So first subarray is starting from say L1, second subarray is starting from the L2. So we are comparing first element of the first subarray with the first element of the second subarray. Whatever is the small, we are copying into the B. If A L1 is smaller, then we are copying L1 into B. If L2 is smaller, then we are copying L2 into B. So smaller one is copied here. After copying smaller element, all the elements, one of the array will be finished and second array will be, few elements of the second array will be remaining. So what we are doing here, we are copying here remaining element of the pending array. Say first subarray, few elements are left, we are using here this loop. Say few elements of the second subarray is left, we are using here this loop. So in this way, all the elements are in the sorted manner and copied into the B array. After it, our original array is the A. So we are copying all the elements of the B array into A array. So this is the merging procedure. We have to use one more function. This function is called sort. This function is used to divide large array into a smaller array and finally combine. So we are using a variable mid equals to low plus I by 2. Low is here first index of the array and high is the last index of the array. So we are sorting here low to mid and sorting here mid plus 1 to high. So this large problem is dividing into two small problems. And finally, we are calling here merging low, mid, high. So in this way, we are performing our sort operation. And finally, we will get the result in the sorted manner. If we talk about the complexity, then we are using here two functions. Function is merging and second function is sorting. So in the merging function, basically we are scanning complete array and smallest element are copied. So this is our working procedure of the merging function. So we have here n elements and we are copying all n elements. So it means we need here n comparisons. The complexity of the merging function is order of n. If we talk about the sorting function, then large problem is divided into two parts. So if we have the size of the problem is n, then problem is initially divided into n by 2, then n by 4, then n by 8, etc. So this dividing operation is performed in log n time. So therefore, complexity is here order of log n. Finally, complexity of the merge sort is order of log n. So in this way, we can compute the complexity of the merge sort. Thanking you.